Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video is about an interesting story I found out recently. I met the family who are planning to sell their property. Pretty much their story was interesting because those guys were able to make about $1 million in profit from the house they owned for about a decade. I decided to share this story because it could help the future home owners. And I have to tell you that personally, I got motivated by this story, so I decided to share it. So what happened is I would not disclose their name, but I will disclose the location of the house. It's in California, Fountain Valley. So those guys purchased the property, I want to say about 70 years ago when the city was just being built. You know, it was in the 70s. So what happened, they got the property for about $50,000, which was very high priced for that time. Recently, I found that this property got sold for $1.6 million. But the weirdest part is that I was one of the guys who made an offer about a year ago. It was a flip. Someone bought the property and reconstructed it. It was just cosmetic, remodel, nothing major. I made an offer for that property for $1.2 million last year. We did not end up buying the property because we had a hard time agreeing with the seller. However, the story that they shared with me amazed me. So what happened, those guys got their own mortgage back in 70s for $50,000, and they owned the house for during the whole their lifetimes, and they were able to refinance that house, especially when the prices went up significantly. You know, last year the market price for the house was $1.2 million. The person who owned it, they were able to cash out. It was all paid off, obviously. I believe about somewhere around $1 million. And then they end up selling the house and cashing out the rest of the money. That was definitely an interesting story. I decided to share it. You can still do it because I believe that those houses that say cost $600,000 right now, in about 10 years, they will cost about $6 million. So I definitely expect 10 times growth. This is a good time to buy, even if there would be a recession or the economic hardship. I assure you guys that the housing market will still go up, not down. That's just a historic shift that we can see over time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends who are planning to refinance.